welcome to another Monica Belluci makeup tutorial. So I am just taking this foundation all over my face because clearly my face is much more pale than my body, and this foundation looks a little bit more orange on camera, but trust me, in the end it doesn't look so bad. But yeah, I finally decided to do another follow-up makeup look because I know a lot of you were requesting it, and this one's just going to be a mix of two pictures that I saw that I really liked, and I took my own version on it. So yeah, she was so beautiful. If you look at all her pictures, well, she still is. It's just like her beauty is just like remarkable, almost like she was perfect in my eyes. Well, still is. I don't know why I keep saying was. She still looks great for her age right now. And I just loved the 90s like smoky look and everything. But yeah, I'm just going to continue to blend out that foundation until it matches. Going to conceal my under eye circles right here. I don't do too much because I don't want it to be too bright underneath the under eye, but as always, lighter concealer always brightens up the look, of course. Yeah, so now I am, of course, blending it out. If you guys have any other recommendations on who you'd like to see on this channel, please let me know. I really enjoy seeing what you guys request. I know a lot of you do request things and it takes me a while to get to it, but it's just because I'm a perfectionist and want it to look as closely as I possibly can. Now I'm just going to set all this makeup in place, and I'm going to move on to eyebrows after this. Now I'm going to move on to the eyes. I am taking this Dido Cosmetics Eco Earth Shade palette. You guys are sleeping on Dido Cosmetics. Their palettes are amazing. They're really cute and compact, and they're like solar system right now themed, and I love that. I just took this light white shade right here, and I'm going to place it underneath my brow bone and on the inner corners of my eyes. These eyeshadows are super pigmented. I'm obsessed. Like, I've never even heard of them before, and then I got a whole package, like 4 palettes, and you'll definitely be seeing me use them on my channel. And now I'm just taking this color right here. It's a darker black color. Like I said, super pigmented, so you want to make sure you keep that bake underneath your eyes because there will be fallout. And I'm using a card and creating like a kind of like a smoky winged out liner. It's not really eyeliner, it's more like a eyeshadow look. And this is kind of like the photo shoot she did in the 90s. And I had a few pictures inserted in the beginning, and that's what look I'm going for. And this is just going to be my twist on it. Also, I'm taking a matte black eyeshadow just to set that and smoke it out a bit because there are shimmering particles in that eyeshadow. So I was really proud of this look. Honestly, it came out really wonderful in my opinion. But now I'm just going to take a little bit of liquid eyeliner and extend the inner corners. When you have brown eyes like me, black eyeshadow like this can really make them pop. As you can see, they almost look red. It's strange, but I've always had a red tint in my brown eyes. Now what I noticed Monica doing a lot is she always wore her eyeliner on her lower lash line, not in the waterline, and she still does this now. I took a look on her Instagram and she still kind of goes for the same type of eye makeup look. But now I'm wiping away the bake, and now my eyes are looking almost ready. I'm taking the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara, and no falsies because I don't want to take away from the look. Back then they didn't really go too heavy with the eyes, and I just feel like that would make it look way more modern. Now for the cheeks, I'm taking this coralish peach not eyeshadow, but blush, and carving out my cheeks and giving myself a little bit more color on my face. Just speeding through this because blush application can be very boring. You guys get the idea. So yeah, once we're done with that, we're going to move on to lips. I took this lip color called Ginger by Kylie Cosmetics and overlining my top lip because she has really full lips, and also kind of overlining my bottom lip. My bottom lip's already slightly bigger than my top. So also I'm taking Cream Cup by MAC, and I didn't really like the way this looked at first, so then I go in with a different lipstick right here. This is by Tarte, and I just kind of smooth over that lip color. And this is what I came up with. I hope you guys enjoy this Monica Belluci inspired makeup tutorial, and let me know if you would like to see another and who you would like to see next. Alright, I'll see you next time. Bye!